We've done many restaurants, many bars, many breweries, and years later, they're still holding up, and that's why I still am my go-to with breweries. I always choose to put Rubio Monocoat to give it that nice, authentic, original feel of the wood. Oh, hey, I'm Lucas. Welcome to Lighthouse Woodworks. Come on in, let me show you around. So when you first come into our shop, the first thing you see is this 55-inch planer with 2 sanding heads after. Normally we keep the first sanding head at 80 grit and the next one at 120. This is our CNC machine. We use this almost every day. We use it sometimes to flatten tops. We use it to make circles, cut round tables. We use it to engrave. So here's where all of our table bases get built. Eli over here and some of his guys, they're here constantly working, making all kinds of different metal projects, but it's nice to have in-home metal being made for us so that all of our tables are able to get turned around real fast. If there's an issue, we can get it fixed in-house. It's just been awesome. You can see right now in our shop, we got a big project going on using these old timbers, huge beams from a reclaimed building in downtown Boston. They wanted to take the beams, turn them into tables. So it's a little bit messy right now with all these beams, but it's a fun project. These are those beams. You can see inside some nice old Doug fir, some good pine, a lot of sapwood. It's very fatty, very, very heavy wood, but it smells delicious. And even though it's heavy, it's been pretty fun to work with. We had to deal with tearing out all the nails. These beams were rough when we got them. This here is our finishing and sanding storage. As you can see, we use a ton of Rubio Monocoat. On our shelves, there's from oil plus 2C to pre-stains to universal maintenance oil. Rubio's been a staple at our business to help us to be successful and profitable at the same time. This part of the shop, this room, is our storage space. We keep all of our extra wood here, finished tables. We've done many restaurants, many bars, many breweries, and finished them with Rubio Monocoat. And years later, they're still holding up, and that's why I still am my go-to with breweries. I always choose to put Rubio Monocoat to give it that nice barn look, that authentic, original feel of the wood. My favorite Rubio Monocoat product to work with has always been universal maintenance oil, just because once you get Rubio on there and you let it cure and it settles, you apply the UMO, universal maintenance oil, on top of the table. It just gives it that extra pop. The most popular Rubio Monocoat colors that we use here in the shop, first is pure. However, we do use quite a bit of charcoal, castle brown, natural is a very popular color, and mist 5%. Thank you guys for coming to Lighthouse. It's been a pleasure having you here. I gotta get back to work, but hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.